Hello everyone, Sanok and welcome to my channel. So, actress and boss lady behind Ferguson Films recently caught some strays on social media from those who called her out for not attending funerals. Imagine, this was brought on by her visible absence from Presley Chweneyagae's memorial service and funeral. One person said, "I've noticed Connie Ferguson doesn't attend people's funerals, yet she was supported when her husband passed on." Hebatong. She's saying it like Connie is part of a burial society where they take turns to attend funerals. The actress Cindy Dlatu also caught some strays, even though she attended Presley's funeral. One person said, "I'm so disappointed in Connie Ferguson and Cindy Dlatu. They haven't posted Presley ever since he was announced dead. Like those people worked together for so many years." Batong. What if they were just co-workers but were never that close? I mean, we all have co-workers we are not close to like that. They want them to be disingenuous and then call them out on it. Anyway, Cindy Dlatu is really not that active on social media. She posts once in 3 months sometimes. Connie, on the other hand, is often just about her family, workouts, brand promos, and TV production. She hardly posts about celebrity deaths or social ills. So like I said, they want them to be disingenuous and then call them out on it. Anyway, while Cindy Dlatu did attend Presley's funeral, Connie was busy with a press tour for the latest season of Kings of Joburg, a project that was started when her husband, Shona Ferguson, was still alive. Now, a project of this magnitude was obviously planned way before Presley passed, so it really doesn't make sense why she's expected to miss the launch and attend the funeral. Oh, Ronamara, with our negativity bias and obsession with funerals, I mean, it's such a positive thing that actors are employed. What if she called the family and contributed, or is still yet to go there physically for khutsidisa or condolences? Some people prefer to personally visit the family before or after the funeral for khutsidisa and then reserve funeral attendance for very close family and friends. Phela funerals are very sad, triggering and crowded, which can be overwhelming. So seeing the family and assisting privately is no less than attending the crowded funeral, especially if you are not a very close friend or relative. So it's so strange that people are accusing her of thinking she's special or evil. I think it's because her brand is generally very clean. So yeah, this is the time. This is all they could find. She beyonded the whole saga and continued posting her usual workouts yesterday. She also celebrated her 55th birthday. For me, she has no reason to feel shame. Anyway, do let me know what you think in the comments. Do you think she's wrong for not attending Presley Chweneyagae's funeral? And other celebrities, for that matter. I don't remember her attending a celebrity funeral. Njenje. I'm sure she attends those of close family and friends, especially Kobutswan.